Hi everyone, so as you have seen on the thumbnail that we are going to draw Saitama in this video, and I have already prepared the structure for today's reference, and now I'm using a 3B special graphite pencil. They're also called special drawing pencils, but you are free to use any pencil that you have right now. Okay, so first of all we're going to draw that structure as shown in the reference, and I'm starting from drawing the circle and then a straight line downwards. It's a little bit curvy as well, so you're required to draw it just like I'm doing because the rest of your drawing depends on this structure. The better the structure is shaped out, the better your resulting drawing will be. For his fist or the punch, what I'm gonna do is draw a cube right there in the center. Yes, a cube. And I don't think it's that difficult to draw either. So I hope you find it easy and have a great time while drawing it. Some might think that drawing a structure isn't that necessary, but it really is. It prevents you from going out of the way while drawing and keep everything in place. Like it helps with proportions. Now we are drawing the fist or the punch within that cube, and I am following the reference for this purpose, and you don't have to look into the reference that much since you're following the tutorial, and it's just easier this way. In my tutorials, I try my best to make every drawing look as much easy as possible, and I hope that I find success at it and you find my tutorials easy as well. After drawing the thumb, we are gonna draw the fingers one by one. Also, I think that some of you might be thinking that why am I not giving any measurements for any line? Drawing with measurements takes a lot of time compared to drawing without them, and drawing without measurement is, I think, a lot easier. And your drawing skills actually make a progress when you try to draw without any measurements and relying on centimeters and inches. So yeah, to make a progress in drawing, you have to leave the centimeters behind. And as you can see, I'm drawing a light line for the arm. Let me explain why is that. It's because when we draw out the basic shape of things lightly like this, before actually drawing those things like an arm, leg or a hand, in the video I have actually drawn the basic shape of the character's whole body around that stick man. And now when we are actually gonna draw his whole body like the arm, these light lines are gonna work as guidelines and help us draw everything with ease. Just wait a little bit and you will see that how helpful this method is gonna be for us. Okay, so now I am drawing the arm starting from the elbow, and now we will actually see that how easy those light guidelines are gonna make the drawing. Their purpose is basically to give us the right direction. Then after that, I want to draw the belt, and even if you think that this drawing is gonna be difficult for you and stuff, believe me, trust me that it is not. All you need to do is pick up a pencil and a sketchbook and watch this tutorial. This drawing took me around 3 hours, and it may take you more than that, so don't be disheartened and stuff. Like, do not give up ever. And here's another thing that I wanted to say, that do not forget to press the like button on this video because it helps me a lot as well. It's just refreshing if you consider to help me, you know. Love you. And now I am drawing his other arm, which is really easy as well, as you know, just watch the tutorial. And by the way, if you draw this drawing using my tutorial, then do not forget to share your drawing process story in the comments, and also type how much time it took you to draw. Fellow viewers and me especially are really curious to know. And now it's finally time for us to draw the jawline and his head, and I am starting by marking the center of the circle. We really need the center of the circle, it's really an important part. And now we're drawing the horizontal and vertical center lines. The vertical center line is gonna be a little away from the center since it's a side face. Damn, wrong term, it's not a side face, it's just a little bit tilted or moved to the other direction, and I don't know the left or right, you know, just consider it like that. The first thing we're gonna do about it is draw the jawline and the ear, and the head might as well. And after that, I will be drawing the shoulders.
On the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Our next step is to remove the extra lines and then neaten the removed outlines and do the details. And now we're finally back to the face, and we're gonna draw another horizontal line which is also right in the middle of the lower half of the circle. So you don't need any measurements for that, And now what we're gonna do is draw the eyes between these two lines. I'm starting after drawing two lines like this, and yeah, this will be easier because it is the direction of the eyes. But be careful since the eyes are kind of tiny and you need to sharpen your pencil before you get to this part. Otherwise, a thick lead will really ruin this. After the eyes, we need to draw the nose between them, which is extending all the way to the bottom of the circle where the center line is intersecting it. And yeah, then just a line or two for the mouth, and we're done. Now we're gonna again remove the extra lines which are unnecessary, and then again neaten the outline like this. And now it's the turn of the shading. I'm gonna use the same pencil all the way. I will not be changing it if you're curious, because putting different pressures on the pencil really changes the shades, and we don't need a lot of pencils to do the shading if you think that. And I know that this is something so basic and a lot of people know it, but I'm still telling it just in case. Also, if you want some depth into your drawing, you can increase the shades like this, but still I always try to make the shading more simpler compared to the reference. This tutorial is ending. This was all, but you must visit my channel. It's a lot of good stuff there, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.